Then these big ass boots, bro. I can't even shift. Like, I gotta get all the way under there. And then we getting caught. But let's continue to let me know how the mic quality sound. Trial and error. Trial and error. Trial and error. What's that word, man? It's your boy, 450, aka Third Bike Trade, man. And as you can see, we got the DJI Mini, and we over here just doing some testing, trying to get it locked in with the helmet set up. With that being said, man, I don't know what the heck I'm doing, and I know some of y'all out there do, so make sure in the comments y'all drop some setup ideas or something, bro, what y'all did with y'all DJI Mini, bro. We trying to figure out how to get this mic into here. Yeah, into there. I can show y'all what I got right now. It's like a little hole in the pattern, like right there. I don't know if I can see it all the way. If I can see it, that's what I got. First ride with these boots, bruh. These boots is too big. Well, let's see how this mic doing, y'all. Yeah, these boots is too big. These boots is too big. But let's see how the mic doing, y'all. Hopefully it's doing good. I gotta zip up my jacket, bruh. Cause fuck. Hold on, y'all. My dumb ass fucking jacket. But yo, hopefully this mic doing good, cause I don't know what I'm doing, for real. These boots is too damn big. I ain't wearing these boots no more, chat. These boots is big as hell. Oh shit. My phone in my pocket. Oh shit. I'm gonna lose my phone. Hopefully we don't lose nothing on the way there, man. But I got shit flapping everywhere. But yeah, man, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and all that. We got a little mic and all that. Trying to see how this bad boy do. Trying to get the right setup and all that. So make sure y'all show some love in the comment section, man. We out here trying to grind, you feel me? Trying to grind, dog. I don't feel right with these big ass boots. These boots big as fuck. I can't even do nothing. Like, it don't even feel right. These boots is big as hell. Like, god dang, I shouldn't have wore these boots. I was trying to make sure my legs was gonna be cool. But these boots big as hell, chat. Oh yeah, I got hella shit in my pocket still. But yeah, bro, these boots big as hell, bro. I can't even get under the shifter. Like, that joint won't even let me get, like, my boots is so big, it won't even get under the shifter right. Thought I heard another bite. But yo, let me know in the comments how my mic sounding, yo. Like, for real. Alright, yo. About to get going again. These gloves suck. I know they ain't MX gloves, but they fucking suck. But yo, let me know some DJI Mic Mini setups, cause I don't think this setup that I got right now is working right. Just trying to make sure I can hear. I want to see how bad the wind noise is, cause I know it's bad. So just let me know. Oh shit, this fucking fell off. Let me know how that mic is. Cause bruh, I can hear hella wind noise in this joint. Yeah, I don't like wearing these boots, bro. We probably about to cut it short because it's getting blurry in this face joint. I can't even see, and I can't even shift right with these boots. So we probably gonna cut it short and see how the audio sounds on this. I couldn't even get a proper ride in, bro. These boots is not it, bro. I will never wear these boots on this joint again, bro. Like, it's so heavy, I can't even feel nothing. Like, they so heavy. Just feel like I got bricks on my leg, bro. God dang, I ain't never wearing these joints again. Word, I ain't never wearing these joints again. These gloves suck. Yeah, bro, I gotta get some gear, like the proper gear. Gotta get the proper gear. Man, bro, she cold too. Yeah, bro. Drop some comments down below, bro. I need some real gear, chat. Real gear. Drop in the comments below, man. If my mic and shit sound good, bro. I need some real gear. Them comments below, man. I need some real gear though, bro. I ain't got no real gear. I'm out here on these big behind clink clanker boots. Can't even shift gears right. Help if you're out, chat. Where the gear at, dog? Where the gear at, dog? Man, bro, I can't do it with these boots no more.